Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily polish, clean and shine metal surfaces like this bathroom tap faucet that I have right here and make it sparkling new once again without using any harsh chemicals, with just using basic items that are available in every household. What I'm going to use for this video is just some regular toothpaste. It's a Colgate toothpaste that I have, along with an old brush that is no longer being used for brushing the teeth. So there we go. You can see I've used a small amount of toothpaste and I'm going to just dab it on the different areas that need to be polished. Depending on the size of the surface, you can use more or less. Some for the back and the underside as well, some for the lever on the top. And once you've dabbed it, you just spread it evenly. Keep scrubbing with the toothbrush. Make sure you get the edges. Get the underside, the front, the back as well. Keep doing this till you've covered all the exposed surfaces. And once you're done scrubbing and applying the toothpaste with the toothbrush throughout the surface, you can leave it on for say 3 to 5 minutes and let the ingredients of the toothpaste react with the metal surface to remove all the scratches and dirt that are on the surface. Now, depending on the type of metal, you can use toothpaste to clean it. It works on chrome and several other surfaces as well. You can always Google to check whether toothpaste is safe for the type of metal surface that you're trying to polish. It even works on silver. And it gives you very good results in a short amount of time without the use of any harsh chemicals. Alright, so I've waited for about 3 minutes here, and now I'm going to run the tap and I'm going to use the water. I'm going to use the water from the tap to wash off the toothpaste, and you'll start seeing the results immediately as the toothpaste gets washed off. Now you can see the kind of shine that has come back on the tap. I don't know how apparent it is in the video, but there's a nice chrome shine, almost as good as new, that's back on the entire surface of the faucet, and it looks almost as good as new. So that's how easy it is to polish and clean metal surfaces, especially bathroom surfaces, with just a simple toothbrush and toothpaste. Hope you found this video helpful. Do leave a like on the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.